I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna decorate my living room. We're going for olive green, but for some reason, because I ordered online, the green doesn't match up. But anyway, we're still gonna decorate. Stay tuned for the final product. Please like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. See you, bye.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
I
Alright guys, this is the final product. Simple and nice, not too much. What do you think? Leave your comments below. Thank you.